Hello everyone, it is the RoboMarkets channel back again. If you're looking for the most trending news from the world of finance, then you've come to the right place. Our three topics of the week are Tesla, the US election, and coronavirus vaccines. Let's go! Shouldn't we start with our favourite electric car manufacturer? On September 22nd, Tesla Battery Day took place. If you don't know what it is, then imagine Apple's annual products presentation, take it outside, and put all the viewers in Tesla's cars. Have you imagined it? This is how the recent meeting of Elon Musk, the company's board of directors, and all interested parties looked like. Participants applauded with the car horns. We can only guess what else the COVID prepared for us this year. But let's move on to Musk's presentation topics. What did the leader of Tesla talk about? Here's a quick summary. First, the company plans to increase sales 30 to 40% compared to last year's numbers. Second, a new Tesla S-Plaid model is available for pre-order for a modest sum of $140,000. The car will have a maximum speed of 322 km per hour. Deliveries will begin at the end of 2021. And third, in 3 years, Tesla plans to be able to produce a budget version of an EV for only $25,000. But how can the company do that? The answer lies in reducing the cost of a vehicle's battery. Don't forget, we are still at the Battery Day, so there's no surprise that the following discussion was related to this particular car part. It was announced that Tesla has started producing its own batteries, with a capacity 5 times higher and an output 6 times greater than that currently used. However, it is still not in mass production, according to Musk. At the moment, Tesla buys batteries from such giants as Panasonic and is not planning to stop. Tesla's own production will only be in addition to the already established partnerships. The company also plans to build a new plant specifically for the production of batteries' cathodes, eliminating the cobalt in them simultaneously. It will also allow reducing the cost of the batteries and the EVs accordingly. The company's intentions seem good, and the ideas innovative. However, investors were not impressed by Musk's speech, which affected the value of Tesla's shares. With all the skepticism around Tesla and the entire electric car industry, will it keep its leadership? Just think about it. A devastating report on Nikola and the resignation of its CEO, constant news about yet another company entering the electric race, unimpressive Battery Day. Share your opinion. Post your predictions about the electric car industry in the comment section down below. And by the way, do not forget to subscribe to the channel not to miss other important and exciting stories. And we will continue with the second piece of news in our collection. And this time we will pay attention to the upcoming elections in the United States. This week, already on Tuesday, Donald Trump and his opponent Joe Biden face off in the first pre-election debate. The outcome of this debate and the persuasiveness of each of the participants can influence some stocks' quotes or even the valuation of entire industries. According to Reuters, many investors believe that Biden, as president, is likely to start raising taxes. In contrast, Trump is pursuing a deregulation strategy, which tends to be better for the stock market. On the other hand, Trump's re-election will mean the continuation of clashes with China, which could become a massive stick in the economy's wheels. So, the potential outcomes are the following. Companies in healthcare, renewable energy, and infrastructure could benefit from Biden's strong performance. If the forces are on Trump's side, then the stock prices of oil companies, defense enterprises, and even tobacco companies could rise. As for the results of the elections themselves, investors make forecasts here as well. For example, those related to the S&P 500 index. Biden's victory could potentially instigate its growth, while Trump's re-election would cause its fall. Percentages, however, would not be critical. But change is a change. Everyone has many opinions, and they are not based on only logical conclusions. The candidate's personal assets, the trends of past years, and the market movements that have already arisen in connection with their statements are taken into account. Whomever American chooses, it will shake the market a little. Although nothing is surprising, the event remains significant. Do you agree? Prove it by giving a thumbs up to this video. And we're coming through with the third course of today's video. It will be all about vaccines against coronavirus. Johnson & Johnson recently announced the successful completion of the second phase of its drug testing. Their product is the fourth in a row, which moved on to the third testing phase in the United States. All these candidates for victory in the fight against the virus have different typologies. We will not immerse you in complicated medical terms, but will only tell about some interesting consequences of this difference. The type of vaccine that Moderna and Pfizer are developing has never been fully approved by the FDA in the past. Moreover, if the production of such a drug is easier to increase, its scaling has some problems. On the other hand, a product similar to what J&J and AstraZeneca are developing has been approved, but only once. It was the Ebola vaccine from Merck & Co. Incorporated. The Novavax vaccine is very similar in type to a regular flu shot, but it may also require an adjuvant to increase its effectiveness. Johnson's vaccine is the only one in this race that will require just one injection, not two. It could allow the company to test the drug faster and sell it better. Despite these facts about the vaccine's differences, investors have no clear preference and don't know which company is more promising at the moment. Any direction remains possible, and much will depend, among other things, on the alleged government contracts for the sale of this product. How soon will we see a world without COVID? Let's hope very. Well, guys, if you made it to this part of the video, we just want to say a massive thank you. Subscribe to the channel to not miss the next video, and give this one a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Apart from that, take care and see you next time.